Hello everybody! I will show how to check the LDAP connection. The first part of this video will be how to check from Windows OS, and the second part of this movie I will show how to do this from Linux system. Let's download the LDAP portable app. After the app download, I copied it to desktop. Unzip the app and open it. I will show our connection in free online service. You can find this service on internet and copy the connection configuration to it. In our case, we will use anonymous user without password. We connected successfully and read our LDAP catalog. Second part of this video will be how to check connection from Linux system. Now I will show how to install ldapsearch in Linux. I am based on CentOS release, but in another system technique will be the same. Now we installation OpenLDAP utility. The name of utility will be the same in different distribution. Only can be different installation command. I cleaned the screen and pass prepared command. This command I below this video. Enter password, in our case is password. OK, connection successfully. Subscribe please and bye bye.